Jamaican custard apple. So I had to jump on this because I see so many people posting their custard apple and it looks so different from our Jamaican custard apple. So of course, I got to Jamaica, tree loaded with custard apples. So the first thing I'm doing is going to the tree to pick custard apple. But I just wanted to show ours because ours, it looks so different. As you can see on the outside, ours is very smooth. Most of the ones that I see people posting, the outer appearance has the look of the sweet sop or the sour sop, with the bumps in it and everything. Yes, looking more like that. So I'm not sure. Guys, share your custard apple with me and tell me the country it is associated with, and let's see what it looks like in your country. Okay, so here I'm eating it. Boy, the custard apple did sweet bad.